Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to customize your Google account. So first, we need to hide the extensions. To do this, just go to Google, click on the extension icon right here, and just unpin all of the applications. Next, for us to have a warm vibe to our Google Chrome, we need to download Homey. So, go to your Google Chrome web store, download Homey, and add it to Chrome as an extension. By clicking on a new tab, Homey should load up now as your new browser extension. The next process involves you customizing Homey to optimize your Google usage. You can pin apps and change the background by clicking on the gallery on the bottom right corner of the screen. So here you can either select from their wallpapers or upload your own. So next, go back to Google Chrome Store and go to Themes. Here, you can change the theme of your Google Chrome to match your customization preferences. And that's about it. You can customize it even further if you want to by adding bookmarks or folders. You can also edit the names of the applications. We hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.